Okay, we got one speaker lower wired, that one wired in, amplifier stuff wiring in. Right now we're waterproofing our SBL Show Neo magnets. We're wearing with Hertz all in the front half of here. And yeah, see that? So this is going to stop the water from getting onto the speaker. So we're going to glue it on there and make it happen. Stay tuned, one step at a time. Well, we got sound on Bluetooth, bought USB adapter, but it doesn't work that way, seems like. So, damn it, man. Can't film sound while recording. Okay, Sean, we done with him. Speakers on over there. Tour pack is on. Let me see. Yeah, we see the blinkers are in effect. The brake light also works too, but it's very hard to wait, let me see something. If we can put the pole on him and reach. Let me see. Yeah, hold on, let me take it off hazard. So it's normal. Let me see. Yeah, that part. So we're good to go. 6-pack, 2, 4, 6. These are dummies up here. Definitely gonna be better than the boom audio that came with the bike, the first level 1. Haven't heard the series 2 levels, but I'm pretty sure we own that too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. I'm gonna get a phone tomorrow so I can play it, because I can't play and record at the same time because it's Bluetooth. I'd have a USB adapter from C port to regular. So yeah, like I said, money stereo installation. All I can say is me too. Y'all see how the light looked? That light looked menacing. See something when he off. See something, he should go off. And dang, blacked out. Yeah, I don't know how good he is at night, but yeah, that's a menacing look right there. Gotta go. Good night. Your disconnect is right here. Put it on the side. Along with the side for the bag is over here. Turn him on. Yeah, we got it figured out. Live and direct, money stereo installation. I got a question for you, man. Does this front light, would it be tinted? Can you still see things?
See clearly.
See clearly?
Yes,
so I imagine how it would have been without it. It would just must have been just devastating to anybody in front of you.
It really
I mean, anybody you behind somebody else. I'm saying with the old before it was you tinted or it was already tinted.
I had it done.
Okay, so before
I don't remember.
You didn't really, nobody complained about, they didn't complain about the lights on it? Because it gives it more of a menacing look with that right there. You know, I looked at it last night, I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, the gray and the black and the little accents of chrome here and there. Okay, it was doing the thing.
Right on.
So what year bike we got here, young man?
24.
24? Okay. Are you ready to go? Give me some music. Let's hear what you hear. Oh. Okay, so what we got here today is the highway setup. My man said he going for distance, not for the speed. Well, a little bit of speed, but mostly the distance, and wanted to retain bag space. So what we got here is 6x9s on the lid, 6.5 in the lower mid-range, 6.5 in the front. As I told my other video, you got to have a shallow mouth speaker, but it got to be a quality speaker to fit up in there. You can't put no big diamond, the older ones with the horns, because it won't fit. The Soren Vega won't fit. You're gonna have to step it up to make that work. Let me hear what's going on, man.
This funk been a part of my life ever since the starting gate. Remember me in that food show, dog, way back in '88? Wrote them suckers down with some sexual
Okay,
heat. And
okay.
the town ain't been the same, so don't fight the feeling. But now you know.
You know, really, how long we been knowing each other, man?
I don't keep up with time before a very long time.
Very long time. Now, him and his brother, they are twins, if y'all don't know this. His brother name is Ron G, right?
Yes, sir.
Only reason I know Sean's name because it says Sean on his goddamn vest. I know the Sean with the gray bike. That's how for years it's been twin. What's that? And I don't know who I'm talking to. I don't know who I'm talking to. Yeah, I don't know who I'm talking to. But now I know, and I've made a middle note in my phone. Sean.
Right.
Slash twin slash Kings of Cali. And so I just had to put that out there. Hey, it's bad, my bad. We've been knowing each other about 20 years now, and I'll be like, who am I talking to? I'm like, okay, well, man, how you doing? So I would say that I guess that's an OG moment. You know, I just want to share that with y'all. I gotta go. And we are out of here.